There's something over there. Swipe left or right to find more games. Let's draw a sweet kitten. First, draw its head. Make it round. Now its nose and muzzle. Well done! Draw its triangular ears. And long whiskers. Deep Then make an oval body. Excellent! Draw the front paws. Draw 2 straight lines. And a rear paw. Excellent! Now you only have to draw a long tail. What an adorable kitten you've made! You are making such wonderful pictures. Let's draw some more. You may choose what you wish to draw. Let's draw a joyful puppy. Draw the puppy's head. Deep sky blue. Well done! And nose, a little circle. Now, draw 2 ears. And mouth. Draw its eyebrows. Yellow. Fantastic! And now, draw the puppy's body. And 2 paws. And 2 more paws. Now add a funny tail. Look, your puppy is scratching and barking. Oh, oh. Play with your own drawing. Press the buttons and swipe the screen. You are such a good artist. It's so much fun to play with you. Let's draw some more. Let's draw a bird. First, draw its body. Now, draw its belly. And its beak. Deep pink. Fabulous! Draw its wing. And draw its legs. Marvel at how your bird sings and flutters around. Play with your own drawing. Press the buttons and swipe the screen.